Yeah, dear friend, thank you watching BK Java course channel. Before we start this topic of multi-dimensional array, please subscribe to this channel and like on this, so it will be encouraged to me making new video on new topics. So let's start with multidimensional. Multidimensional array can be defined in simple words as an array of array. So data in multidimensional arrays are stored in tabular form, row in row measure order. Syntax is that data type is in double string, what kind of data type you want to define. So thereafter first dimension, second dimension, n dimension, and array name any kind of name you can define is equal to new data type already describe about that what kind of data type you will define, and size 1, size 2, size n, where data type of data to be stored in array, for example in char, dimension of array created, for example 1D, 2D, 3D, etc. Array name of array, size 1, size 2, size n, size of dimension respective. Let's see the example, two dimension array. The syntax is that two dimension here is a size 10 and 20. So we are explaining with the example of diagram, row 1, row 2, row 3, column 1, column 0, column 1, column 2, column 3, column n, and row just like is a row 1, row 0, row 1, row 2, row n. Here will entire the value how will store in array. It will store in the cell 0, 0, 0 is index of row and column is 0. This row will be 0, means first row how will data will maintain 0, 1, column 1 index, row 0, column index 2. Similar in row 1, x row 1 index of column 0. So basically 0, 1, 2, 3 n is a index. Similar in column 0, 1, 2, 3 is a index. So based on it will make a cell. So this form will be generated as a two-dimensional array. Let's come in the three-dimensional array. Three-dimensional array syntax is this. For example, I am taking the type of array is a int, and array name is a array 3D array, and here is a symbol 3 array, means three-dimensional array. So here new int 10, 23, 20, 30. Okay. So this structure will be make it is this way. Structure will be make this way. Row first means this column will be generated. Green column for the first D, and yellow color for the second D. Third means red for the third cell. For the third cell it will be as a 3D. So index symbol will becomes as a structure wise. So this is the whole way of multi-dimensional array. Mostly we are working on 2D, 3D dimensional in the Java programming. Okay. So let's come with the example. So now I am creating new class as a 2D dimensional dimensional array. Okay, let's see. Two-dimensional array. Here I am just defining public static void main string argument. Okay, so let's come with this example. Come with this two-dimensional array. So data type, syntax here is data type, and this is dimension, first dimension, second dimension, dot n dimension. So I am taking only two-dimension array. Okay, I am taking only two-dimension array. So data type here I am defining as a int two-dimension array. I am taking here, giving the name of two-dimension 2D array is equal to new array, new int. Here I am just defining two-dimension array. For example, 1 2 1 2 3 two-dimension array, two-dimension array. Okay, so 2 4 5 6. Here I am defining 6 7 8 9. Okay, so this is the way of two-dimension array syntax, how to be define the value. So here size and everything. Let's how to be iterate this two-dimension array. So first will come, first loop will be for row and second loop will be for the column. Okay, so let's start with this for int I is equal to 0, I less than 2 array 2D array dot length I plus plus. So here syntax problem. Okay, okay, so first for the row for this first dimension, and second will be right for the second dimension for loop int j equal to 0, j less than dot length here j plus plus. So how will print system out dot println so here will print two dimension array I J plus array two dimension D array I and J. Okay, so let's see. Okay, it is printing wrong printing just now. Okay, so here you see the first cell 001 means 0 and 0 is 1, 0 and 1 is equal to, and 0 2 3 104 115 116 126, index of this 6, index of this 7, index of this, index of this. So this way can we write a program for the two-dimensional array. So this dimension can be write this way: 1 2 3. Here not possible for writing to this, so here go through this example. Means 0 value is comes 1, and 1 value of 1 is comes 2. Okay, so this way can be write for the two-dimensional example how to be write two-dimensional array. Okay, so let's come with the another example.